Welcome to our another listing, 2-bedroom, 1 den, amazing family home priced high 400 on the border of Brampton and Mississauga in front of future LRT, close to 407 and loaded with a lot of amenities. Let's go inside and check it out. We are starting the tour of this home from this den area because I was excited to see the big windows which are giving you incredible views outside, plus a lot of natural light coming in. Now this place can be used for a work from home office, or it can be your den, or it can be a guest area. From this den you enter the living space. This is an open concept living area which is connected to your dining, and here you can enjoy a whole year partying with your friends and family. This is a spacious dining area which is connected to your kitchen. As you enter the kitchen, I was mesmerized by the big windows on one side of it, plus there are a lot of cabinetry and there is extra storage on the end of it. Plus this can be used as a sitting area when you're enjoying your morning cup of coffee in this nook. From this living and dining area we are entering the fourth space, which is tiled throughout, plus this unit comes with ensuite laundry which is right on the entry. Then you have a big closet. The big part about this property which excites me, there's a lot of separation between your dining living area and your private bedrooms which are just on one corner of the property. As you move to the area, you are greeted by the common washroom which is 4-piece. It's waiting your creativity touch. From here we are moving into the bedrooms. I know you must be waiting for it. Both the bedrooms comes with the big windows. Now let's go into our primary bedroom. This can be your gorgeous primary bedroom which comes with a huge big window greeting you with the morning sunlight directly coming into the home. Plus it comes with 2 walk-in closets which is connected to your ensuite washroom. This is a 5-piece washroom, plus it's a standing shower which is fully upgraded with a frameless mirror glass door and new tiles, new plumbing fixtures. Also it comes with a tub on the side. I know you're excited to take the private tour of this home. Why not you contact me or our team? We'll be more than happy to give you an exclusive tour of this home.